So Gabriel's playing with his new toy we just got. It's called the Fisher-Price Pop-Ons table. It's a building table. He's figuring out how everything goes together. Good job! And there are little cars and little people. And this green thing lifts up to a mesh compartment. Excuse me. Where you can store your toys. And if you push this button, those two little wheels spin and play music. Which I just distracted Gabe with that. Making his car go over there. The fire truck. Excuse me. Gotta push down harder when you put it on. There you go. Yep. You had it. Just gotta push down a little bit harder. Very good. Line it up right here. Push down. Beep, beep, beep. So what do you think, Gabito? Do you like it? Yeah, is there a bird on that car? It says tweet, 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 tweet. It's a bird. No, it's not a dog. It's a bird. She says tweet, tweet. You want to take the bird out of the car and put the cow in? Here, take the bird out and put the cow in. This one. You can put the cow on like this. Snap! Oh, only one at a time in that car. You want the bird in? Look, take the cow out. Now put the bird in. Yeah. Yes. Good job. But you have to push down. Push. It's a cow. You want the cow in? Moo. Moo. So take the bird out and you put the cow in. Ready? Snap. Let me take the cow out and you can put the bird in. There, now you put the bird in. That's the bird. No, the bird says tweet, 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 tweet.